All right, so we're in Orlando. We are going to Big Lots to get him some furniture and some stuff for his apartment. So I've just determined it rains every day in Florida. I mean, every day that I've been to Florida, from my recent travel vlog to see the Phil Wilson concert to now, it has rained at least a little bit and then it'll just stop. Everything was expensive at Big Lots, but now I'm about to teach my brother how Dollar Tree will save a college person's life. Just got out of Dollar Tree. Now we're about to go back into Big Lots. We just got back from Big Lots. Now we gotta go to Walmart just to grab a couple more things. But at Big Lots, I went ahead and bought this mini table tennis set. It was on clearance. I think we're gonna have a little challenge. Some of you already know I'm a big ping pong player. My brother is actually pretty good at ping pong himself. We used to play all the time at the church. Mini ping pong is gonna be a little bit different. I think I got the advantage, but we'll do a challenge for, like, I don't know, maybe like a prize of some sort. So we'll get to that eventually. We are kings of the world. All right, right down there, so you don't have to go anywhere. And just like that, we finished the shopping for Mark's apartment. Now we're gonna go get some lunch. Probably some Taco Bell. Those nacho fries. Yes, sir.
I just realized I don't have TJ's number.
You don't have your roommate's number? Yeah, you probably want to get that.
Yeah, I'll get it when I get back to the apartment.
Wow. I was like, this looks a lot more carbonated than my normal tea looks like, but it kind of has that light tea color look also. So it's like, do they like half tea, half soda? Heading back to the apartment. We're gonna eat, and then we might play some ping pong. We'll pull out some ping pong or something. We are kings of the world. Your apartment has a nice playground if you want to play on it.
Yeah.
Alright, so me and my brother both play a little ping pong. See? Actually, how about that too? That's coming. Oh, 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 oh. Oh, 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 oh. Ah! Alright, that was actually kind of dope. We're gonna do first to 5. The loser pays for dinner tonight.
What's dinner tonight?
Oh.
Yeah, I'm gonna do this with my hair so it doesn't keep falling in my eyes. Okay.
This is actually the first time we played ping pong together in a long time. Too low. Ah. Oh. Oh my God. The serve. Ah. The serve. Too much sauce. 1 by 2. Wade Simmons, this is harder than it looks. Oh. The net. It roll in and it goes over and ping pong, if the ball goes over, it counts.
It landed here.
But it went over. Y'all know the rules.
Because usually the rule doesn't include if the ball knocks over the ball.
Let's go! Golly, why are you serving so hard?
Because I can't lose on serve.
I forgot what the score was.
You advantage you. Yeah, I don't know the numbers, but I just know it's advantage you right now.
Oh! Let's go! Come on! That's what I'm talking about.